All right, so we already have our side panels made. And this video is probably going to be covering about 3-4 days worth of work. So I'll just try and capture as much of it as I can, but basically leaving off where we left off, we have the bracing underneath, the glass pieces made on top is good. I will reinforce these. So I'm gonna make some little bracing along the way just so it has some strength. We'll then go ahead, get this guy bonded or mounted if possible, and then we'll start the rear. So hopefully by the end of all this, we'll have this done, we'll have that on, we'll have it kind of glassed together, rear end will be pieced together. This is what we got. Let's get to work. These are a thick glass sheet. This is about 6 ounces, this one. So nice hefty piece. We're gonna be using this as our reinforcement sheet, and we're gonna be tracing our template, obviously, our CAD design onto our glass sheet. Cut those out, and then we'll glass these in place here, like so. And this one is shaped a little differently because it's gonna sit farther back. This goes here, boom. We'll just have a couple of them just to kind of reinforce right here, just because when we put the side on, we want to make sure there's no flex, and over time we want to make sure that this is sturdy. We are going to be making molds at some point, but I don't know when that's going to happen, so let's just make it as rigid as possible, as stiff. All right, so we have all our pieces cut. Gang's all here, so we're going to go ahead and get each piece. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue just to get them to sit up there, and then I'll gloss everything up, and then we'll break the glue and be good to go. Got the extra help today.
So the other side was a pain in the ass when it came to having this gap be even with this. So I'm just gonna hot glue these paint sticks here, and that'll kind of give us a guide. This is so bad.
Time to cut dick butt. So because we waxed the cardboard, it's not going to stick, and it's going to give you like a nice surface. Obviously, if you use a better material than cardboard, you'll get a better finish. So if you have like polyurethane sheets, or if you have like styrene sheets, you can use that. It'll be good with a hot glue, and it'll also give you a nice clean finish. So something to keep in mind. Don't worry, it'll come off.
Yeah. All right, so it's on. We're here with Tam.
Record that.
Flush all the way across on the bottom. And now we glass.
So we got a lot of our side pretty much all pieced together. We have that portion in, we have the side pretty much how we want. Yeah, loving the overall look, side profile. I like how it just kind of shoots up, but then still has this nice flow. I just don't like how heavy it is in the back right there. So just really trying to figure out the correct angle. I mean, you can see I already kind of made a mark, but I feel like I need to open that up. Cool, so we have most of our little pieces in place that Astrid made, and we're gonna build a wing using our sheets of glass.
So this is the idea.
Sandwich. I know it doesn't look like much now, but it'll look like a wing soon enough.
Well, what's my cue to like put it down?
I made the cuts here. This piece will turn into a trunk piece later on, but right now I want to get some shape to it. Cut this, I feel like we could cut just a little more, so I'm going to cut back a little more, and hopefully that'll give us exactly what we need. But definitely coming together, and you can see it's close it up, but it's almost there.